Hi, I'm Jim and I'm the General Manager at Pierce Hire. We're one of the UK's leading specialists in providing power, lighting, audio and rigging services. Advanced Handling were referred to me by one of our suppliers when I needed a goods lift for our new facility. It was a time-critical project focusing on our employee health and safety and improving efficiencies within our operation. Advanced Handling managed the whole process professionally from start to finish in partnership with our mezzanine floor provider. The communication was excellent. I was informed every step of the process, and the detailed technical assistance means that we can now make excellent use of all the available space, ensuring we complete our activities efficiently and safely. I got a lot of confidence in the knowledge that Advanced Handling design and manufacture their lifts in their facility here in the UK. Also, we were able to agree to a service plan directly with them to ensure our lift will be reliable for years to come.